Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Techer Lavu. So I'm back with a new video. In today's video I'll show you how to install macOS Mosaic on any PC or laptop, whether it is an old PC, whether it is a mid PC or whether it is a high-end PC. So the minimum specs required for installing this is 2 GB of RAM, Intel Core 2 Duo processor, at least 7 GB of free space, and processor as I've told you. And if your processor is dual core, then it will work really good. And don't worry, if you are using an old processor like Pentium 4, I'll also make video on that. And there is a best macOS version which you can install for Pentium 4. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step which you have to do is you have to go to this website Niresh macOS X Mosaic. So then you have to click on download. I'll give the link of this website in my description. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and share this video with everyone and press that ghanta. So as you can see that the downloading has been started. So now the second website where you have to go is Balena Etcher. So you just have to simply type your Balena Etcher. This tool is used for making bootable pen drives, like for installing Windows 10, Windows 7, and also used for making bootable DMG images for Mac. It is very simple process. So then you have to download this tool. So after the Balena Etcher tool is downloaded and Niresh Mosaic DMG is downloaded, you just have to simply close the Chrome. And now you need a pen drive of minimum 16 GB, and it's Niresh Mosaic, so 8 GB one will also work. But in case you want to update or install the drivers from the pen drive, then you need at least 12 GB of pen drive. So now after you have installed the Balena Etcher, just open the Balena Etcher, run as administrator, otherwise it will ask for permission. So if you are having any query or you face any problem, just please be free to ask. You can ask me on my Twitter account, Insta account, or you can also ask in comments, and I'll try to respond in 24 hours. So as you can see, the tool is open, Balena Etcher. Now you have to plug your pen drive. So as you can see, and now you have to select the file. Here is Niresh Mosaic. Now you have to click on flash. So now my pen drive is successfully flashed and converted into bootable Mac DMG. So now as you can see, and now you can't open it as now it has become the source of Mac, or you can also say that now it is used for installing macOS. So now just we'll simply shut down our laptop. So after your PC is turned on, you have to press ESC button to go into main menu. So there are some important steps which you have to take for making the successful installation of macOS on your PC. You need to change some settings. First of all, you have to go to SATA configuration. Then you have to select AHCI mode, otherwise Mac won't detect your hard disk. And the next, you have to disable secure boot. Sorry for this problem. So here you have to disable the secure boot. Then you have to go to boot and select USB flash so that the motherboard or BIOS directly boots into your pen drive. So once you have successfully created the bootable pen drive, now just you have to plug it in your PC and press the ESC button. So after your PC starts up, so as you can see, I am in the BIOS mode. So now the important settings which you have to do for your motherboard is, firstly you have to go to SATA configuration, then you have to select AHCI mode. Then the next most important option is you have to disable secure boot. Then just you have to click on save changes. So as you can see that, so now there is an option boot macOS install from Naresh Mozave. So you have to click on this for installing it. So now it's in Apple verbose mode and installation is getting started. So as you can see the Apple logo. So as you can see, we are on our main screen. So this is just a theme, don't worry, this is not a fake macOS, it is original Hackintosh macOS. So you might be thinking, what is Hackintosh? So in my definition or a simple term, I would like to explain you that Hackintosh means when you're installing macOS on a non-Apple PC, like on HP or any other company's PC, but you are not having a Mac. So that simple, it is Hackintosh, and it is just a theme set by the Hackintosh zone from where we have downloaded it. So just click on continue. So as you can see that here are two disks. This is my USB drive and this is my hard disk. So I will select hard disk, but firstly let me tell you how it has detected my hard disk. So you have to go and click on show all devices, then you have to click on format. As you can see, here it is, and now you have to click on erase. So now I'll erase it. And if you want, I'll also make a special video on how to install drivers. So now click on done. So now go to customize. So as you can see, it is original macOS and it is Niresh Mozave. So the website has given us a lot of help options, Lilu Kext and plugins. So if you want, I'll also explain you what is the meaning of Kext. Kext, you can simply say that Kext means the drivers. Here are the chipset drivers, here are the graphics driver. So you have to click on all macOS fixes specially. So now just you have to click on accept, and then you have to go to terminal. Then you have to type date. This is also the most important step. Why you have to type date is, you have to type date because if you will not type the date which I am telling, then your PC will get a small error. It will say that macOS could not find compatible packages for your computer. This error comes due to the date. It needs UTC 2017, but if you are starting the installation in the macOS installer, the date doesn't get detected and this error comes. So this is the date which you have to type. Then simply you have to restart your Mac, or you can also say Hackintosh, because let the changes get saved. So as you can see, boot macOS installed from the Niresh Mozave. And let me skip the process as you have already seen the process. So as you can see, the installation is started without any error. So after the installation is completed, your PC will automatically restart, and you have to select the boot macOS from the any name you have given to your macOS disk. So I have given untitled, so I will select boot macOS from untitled. So now it will simply boot. So as you can see that we are on the main screen, and now let's set a base. So now let us set up it. I have no Wi-Fi available right now, so I'll click on no. If you are having Mac, you can even transfer your old data from a Mac or a Windows PC, but I don't require any data to be transferred. So it works pretty fast, and it even works on the low PC, mid PC, and as you know, high PC. But it's a good thing that it supports Intel Core 2 Duo with a 4 GB RAM. Dark one is looking really awesome. So it is setting up the Mac. So as you can see, we are on our Mac, and it's official Mac. Let me show you the version, and the software update is also available. But now I can't connect to my PC, and after you have connected it to Wi-Fi through Ethernet cable, you cannot use a dongle or Wi-Fi USB adapter. I'll make a video on that. You can use, but you need drivers. So I'll provide the link of that special drivers. So as you can see, macOS Mozave, and software updates are also available. You can even do but as I have told you, I have not having any Wi-Fi right now. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have really enjoyed this video, please comment and also follow me on Instagram. And if you are having any query, you can message me and I'll surely give answer, and I'll try to reply you within 24 hours. It's my promise. So thanks for watching my video. Love you guys, and share this video with everyone.